Is your T-Mobile REVVL 7 not turning on? Don't worry, let's troubleshoot it. There are a few common reasons why this might happen: a drained battery, a software glitch, or even a hardware issue. We'll focus on the most common and easiest fixes first: force restarting and charging. If those don't work, we'll move on to a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, this REVVL 7 is an older model, so these issues are more common. As of late 2025, these phones are no longer in production, but still in use. First, try a force restart. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 30 seconds. If that doesn't work, try holding the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Next, plug your REVVL 7 into the original T-Mobile charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes using a wall outlet. Check the charging port for damage or debris. If the LED indicator lights up, it might be a display issue. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. With the phone off, hold power and volume up to enter recovery mode and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Note, this will erase all data, so back up if possible. If these steps don't work, consider hardware damage and seek professional help.